seconds. Go ahead.
All right. This is the vending machine at Richards Hall, University of Nebraska-Lincoln.
What kind is it?
Royal Vendors.
Okay. All right. You want to get a...
Today we're going to buy item number 41.
Okay, which is?
Gatorade.
Fruit punch.
Fruit punch.
Okay, put your money in there.
All right.
Okay. I will hold the camera. Okay. On the bottom there. Okay, 41.
41. Hey, you got it.
See how fast it went?
Go and grab it. A little bit clumsy, but it works. Okay?
Okay,
Show the camera what you got.
we got a Gatorade.
Okay.
I never see a vending machine like one over at Avery Hall.
Okay. Is that it?
Ice cold and
And that's it.